Let's dive into the powerful project management tool known as Kanban. So what is Kanban? First and foremost, Kanban emphasizes the visualization of the project workflow. By representing tasks and their progress in the columns of a Kanban board, teams gain a clear visual understanding of the project status. The columns are typically broken out into 3 primary categories: To Do, which includes tasks that a team needs to address but hasn't started yet; In Progress, which lists the tasks that are currently underway; and Done, which features tasks the team has successfully completed. Kanban encourages focusing on a few individual tasks at a time to enhance team focus and reduce the likelihood of unfinished work piling up. Feedback is a crucial component of the Kanban project management system, enabling teams to gather insights, learn from their experiences, and make informed adaptations. By actively seeking feedback from stakeholders, team members, and the project environment, teams can continuously improve their processes and achieve greater efficiency and effectiveness. So let's see how the Kanban method plays out with our new cutthroat client, Captain Jack Sparrow. Let's imagine Captain Jack contracts a crew to build a ship using the Kanban project management approach. They start with the first principle of Kanban, visualization. To visualize their workflow, they draw their Kanban board in the sand. As they add tasks to the columns, everyone gains a clear picture of the project's progress, ensuring a unified vision for the crew. As the crew begins to build the ship, they encounter challenges, distractions, and indulge in plenty of rum along the way. To stay focused, they adhere to the second principle of Kanban, limiting work in progress, or WIP. They set a WIP limit, allowing only a few tasks to be worked on at a time. This approach prevents the crew from becoming overwhelmed, ensuring they dedicate their efforts to completing tasks before moving on. Building a ship fit for a pirate king is no easy feat. That's why they abide by the third principle, focusing on flow. Jack holds regular meetings to review their progress, identify bottlenecks, and brainstorm ways to optimize their shipbuilding process. With each incremental improvement, the ship takes shape, becoming more efficient and tailored to their needs. On the final stretch of their shipbuilding journey, Captain Jack's crew embraces the power of feedback loops, the fourth principle of Kanban. They seek input from Captain Jack, the harbor master, and even fellow pirates to gather valuable insights. This feedback enables them to make course corrections, adjust their plans, and ensure the ship meets Jack's standards. Through visualizing workflow, limiting work in progress, driving incremental improvements, and utilizing feedback loops, our pirate crew has successfully crafted a vessel worthy of the high seas using the Kanban project management approach. Agile methodologies are only a tiny piece of the much larger project management pie. If you want to know more about Kanban, what it is, and how it's put the wind in the sails of some of the world's biggest corporations, check out our article linked below. To get a full and comprehensive grasp of project management, sign up for the Mastering Digital Project Management certification today. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and ring the bell icon to stay notified. Until next time, yo ho, a project manager's life for me.